Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming here with another cool product. This is from Azpen innovation.com. It's AZPN innovation.com. This is their Azpen DockAll D100 QI wireless charging sound hub. This thing's pretty interesting. It's basically a speaker system, so it can play speakers out both sides. It can charge your Kai charging docking wireless phones, anywhere from the iPhone 8 to the iPhone 8 Plus X, and your Samsungs, of course, LGs, the latest LGs, Microsoft Lumias, Google Nexuses, and the BlackBerry Priv. So pretty cool that way. It's got quiet charging wirelessly built in, Bluetooth 4.0, dual hi-fi speakers that are 4 ohm, 5 watts with dual reflex ports, LED light lamps, so if you want to set this on your bedside while you charge your phone at night, listen to some nice relaxing music as you fall asleep, you can do that as well. It's got a USB 1 amp, USB 2 amp for wired charging in the back of it. It's got a DC charging port and a micro SD card slot that is expandable to 64 gigabytes. It's got a on-off button on the back, answer and mute phone controls, music and volume controls, and play, pause, forward, back, next button on the front. So you can take and do all the different things you want to take and do with your phone, pick up a call, chat. It's got a mic that's built into it as well. So you can do everything from this baby and charge your phone as well. Super impressed with the product. It looks good, feels good, and it has kind of a low profile that it takes up on your desk. Doesn't take up a lot of your desktop space, keeps your phone standing up. You can use your phone in both portrait and landscape mode. So if you want to set this on your desk and watch a movie in landscape mode, you can do that as well. Anyway, be sure to check it out. You go to azpeninnovation.com, check out the Azpen DockAll D100 Qi wireless charging sound hub.
Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way. Got to find out what's in the box.